In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your Pinterest experience by customizing your board covers. This is a quick and simple way to elevate the visual appeal of your profile and make it more inviting for both yourself and your followers. So let's dive in and learn how you can make your Pinterest board stand out. First, open up your preferred web browser. Once you're there, navigate to Pinterest. You can do this by typing Pinterest into your search bar and selecting the appropriate link, or simply enter pinterest.com into the browser's address bar. Once you've arrived at the Pinterest homepage, make sure you're logged into your account. If not, enter your credentials and gain access to your Creative Hub. Now that you're logged in, head over to your profile. You can usually find this by looking for your profile picture or icon, often located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it and you'll be taken directly to your personal Pinterest space, a place that's uniquely yours, filled with all the visuals and ideas you love. On your profile, you'll find several options detailing your activity and interests. What we're interested in today is your boards. Locate the Boards tab and click on it to reveal all the curated boards you've either created or followed. Each board is a collection of pins representing a particular theme or interest you're passionate about. Then search for the board you wish to customize. Once you have identified the board you want to update, move your mouse over it. Do you see the three dots icon, usually appearing when you hover over a board? Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, search for the option labeled Edit. Clicking Edit will open a new window for you. Inside this editing window, you'll notice various settings and options you can explore. What we're focusing on is the board cover section. This is usually located towards the middle or bottom of the editing window. Now here's where you can add that personal touch. Select Change Cover or Add Cover, depending on your options. When you click here, Pinterest will guide you through your available pins on that board. Choose an image that best represents the theme or mood of your board. It could be your favorite pin or something that encapsulates the overall vibe of your collection. Finally, after selecting the perfect cover, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually positioned at the bottom of the editing window, and click it. Congratulations, you've just given your board a fresh look and feel. Customizing your Pinterest board covers not only makes your space more visually appealing, but also showcases your creativity. Friends and followers visiting your profile will now see a more vibrant and tailored collection of your interests and ideas, giving them a glimpse into your personality. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to upgrade your Pinterest boards with custom covers. Thank you for tuning in and happy pinning.